Hi, I'm Theo. Here's a quick tip on how I built the movable legs on my hand puppets. This puppet here, for example, has an upper part of the leg that basically looks like this inside. It's just a piece of foam, and underneath is a felt disc, and I mark the center of that disc. I drill through it and I pull a string through it, and the string has something on the other side of the foam that prevents it from being pulled through. So um, sometimes I add a second strip of thicker foam on the other side, so I glue that in permanently, but it's really not necessary. You can also just use the softer upholstery foam. So it will be attached like this. I drill a hole through the body where this will rotate. It's usually here on the side, and the side of the felt ends where the foam here ends. So this is flush on the back side, so it's easy to find the right position. On the inside, I reinforce the part where the string goes through a little bit, and I use something to make sure that it doesn't pull through in this direction. And that's what holds the leg in place. It can still rotate, and you can just untie the knot and take the leg off. The rest of the leg is mostly this piece of webbing here that goes through the whole leg right here to the end of the foot. So that makes it very tough. It's not easy to rip this apart, and so far it has survived every show. The movable joints here are basically just the webbing with a little bit of foam on top that prevents it from going sideways too much. That's all about the important parts. The rest here is just a little bit of foam, and you can sculpt that anywhere, any way you want. That's it for now. Bye bye.